Fucking somebody just lost power.
We probably did. Oh, the lines could fall. They need to.
They just did.
Where did they? They didn't fall on the freeway.
Yeah, no, they didn't fall on the freeway, but they fell back this way.
Oh, I can see it.
These guys are scrambling trying to get this. Something moves anyways. Bigger than fire. Oh. How long did it take you guys to make that? Oh, there it goes, there it goes.
All right, that's siren stopped. Uh-oh, the telephone pole's smoldering. Oh, dude, that's bad news.
Yeah.
The telephone pole's almost on fire. If that does, they gotta shut down the other side of the freeway. Oh, that could be bad.
That's hot.
That's hot. Jesus. Look at the pole's just gonna burst. I know, there it is. And there's another one. And he pulled a line, so why aren't they? They're just slower than. It's probably like the B team. The crane, is he putting away the crane? Look at it, it's smoldering all the way down. They're still looking, the firemen, they're talking. Still only have one line on it. Oh, they're saying, here, patch me a line up to the top of the hill. I think they got it. It's down in between the two things. How are they going to get that? You know?
A bit of water.
All right, they did it.
Sheriff?
Kind of looks that way, huh?
Fire in the bottom. There it goes. They got water off it. Right back up.
Somehow they're trying to punch into that inside wall.